Okay, we're off. So what are we gonna do?
Head straight over to Clooney, grab some bait, and then we'll head up, set up in the mouth and hope for some barra.
Okay.
I can see you in my afterlife.
We're coming into Clooney now. It's getting a bit windy, but we're gonna try and make our way in.
That is in the house. Superfly at Draco City.
Coming in now. There's a little Jack Creek up here that we're gonna come up to. Apparently there's some nice mullet in there.
And don't get tired. Sit in the.
Okay. Yeah, okay. This is all the creek where all the mullet are, so we'll cast in here a little bit. Hopefully we'll get some big mullet.
On daily basis, yes, she my type. I pop my shit and live lavish. Never split sides. You can go to college, get a crib off the clothes I buy. We get in the top of the fucking hills off of Sunset Drive. I'm a
We head down the gullies a bit. We didn't get too much bait, but we'll go out back to the mouth now and set up and hopefully look for some big fish. But yeah.
Bottles in a bucket full of ice. Yeah. Better make room, hit a Lambo. Celebrate. Bitch, better believe that I'm a sniper. Yeah. You know I'm about to take you from your man, though. Celebrate. Pop up with the chopper at artificial niggas acting like bitches and they started.
Okay, we've anchored up. We found out there's a bit of a drop off here with the fish finder. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some rods in now. Got some big fish. Let's go.
If I don't buy her them shoes, I don't.
I was playing with something there. It's been a bit weird. Having little runs. I don't know. What? Hard. Are you on?
It's a bit heavier than bait. Oh,
Holy
wow.
shit.
That's a good fish. Swimming flood vegan.
Okay.
King salmon.
Yeah. Watch out. What is he?
Oh, it's a shovel nose.
It's a shovel nose shark. You have fun with that. Might be able to grab him here. Bring him up. He's not happy.
Yeah, I'm putting it in the boat. Nice little shovel nose.
Get him back in. Go on then. There he goes.
I'm in trouble then. Shut up before I spank you for acting up. Now I'm waking up in cabanas, bitch, you bad as fuck. Ain't all gorillas don't want bananas, that's your chain is tough. You wiggity whack with the strap, you cross crease make you jump. I crisscross with the pump, ain't no bricks in the trunk. Leave that shit for the chumps, I still get what I want. Don't wanna believe in my mind.
What do you reckon?
Oh,
Oh.
I think I just jumped up from lying down that quick.
So, pick it up.
Holy shit, that hand line's taking a run as well.
Oh, go on.
I think I'm on.
What's that?
Barracuda.
A bloody barracuda. Okay, good, it got off.
Good, he's gone. Oh, you guys got that on camera.
I got it.
I've just pulled in this bait and it's just got destroyed. That's what was hitting our bait out there.
Wait, come close.
Just a barra. It's lost all its scales. Big barra's just sucked all the scales off its body and hit it. What a shame.
Playing in the mud, all these drugs like a weirdo. What about time? BBS diamonds on my earlobe. I'm in that Rari, I drive fast, I'm an a-hole. I got.
Ben's finally hooked up to this little fella, snagging his bait. It's a flathead. Go on, buddy.
Well guys, I just pulled in my bait and that's what happened.
Much fun, much fun.
Probably should have hooked him in the nose, you reckon? Oh my god. Alright. Well, that's it for this spot. We're heading over, maybe half an hour fishing in this spot for mangrove jack. Just rocked up to the new spot. Usually we come here on king tides, so like that lower branch of that green tree would be like way under, but it's right, we'll give it a shot. But yeah, we'll chuck a line in, hopefully pull up a cod or a jack or something for tea tonight.
I roll with them shooters, ain't with the talking, we just do it. Stripper bitch, big old booty, your whole dirty, she got cool.
Ben's just hooked on. Nice brim, man. That's solid brim.
the brim I just got. Legal.
2 packs to the face, I'm blood in my hands, blood in my eyes, cold in my car, money on my mind. He'll take this breakfast and try and see the stars. Personally, they ain't seeing me cause I got bars. Hope you never.
Yeah, we're on. Oh, get the landing net. Oh, it's a cod.
Oh, this one?
It'll be legal.
Blood in my eyes, blood in my eyes, blood in my
Line.
blood in my cook, blood in my cook, blood in my.
You on?
Made $1 million in a.
Bro, that guy didn't even fight. What is he? Cod. Another cod. Jesus. Carl's cod king over here. Look at this big guy, he's way beyond 38. And this guy will probably be under, eh?
Way under.
Yeah. Lovely.
I drive fast, I'm an a-hole. I got cash flow.